The benefits of drinking water with vinegar and baking soda before meals. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda have many health benefits, as well as multiple uses for beauty and around the home. Believe it or not, the solution to many of your day-to-day problems can be found in vinegar and baking soda. In this article, discover some of the benefits of drinking water with vinegar and baking soda before each meal. Excellent natural remedies. Natural medicine provides a number of options for preventing various health problems, as well as treating different conditions. They can do all this without side effects or the need to take medications. However, some natural remedies are not so available for everyone. It might be difficult to find them, or they might be too expensive. That's why we like to suggest natural remedies that are available to everyone, such as, for example, apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Once you know everything you can do with this simple remedy, you'll want to start using it straight away. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is not just a dressing for salads and other dishes. It's also a medicinal remedy that can help you detox and rebalance your body, as well as relieve or treat many health problems. To take advantage of its curative powers, you need to make sure that it's fresh and not pasteurized. The pasteurization process causes it to lose a lot of its medicinal properties and nutritional value. Therefore, it should be vinegar that's gone through a natural fermentation process and has a murky appearance. Apple cider vinegar has been used as a beauty product, a cleaning agent, and a health product for decades. Baking soda. Baking soda is often used to treat heartburn. However, it contains many other health benefits too. With the apple cider vinegar, you'll be able to regulate acidity, and with the baking soda you can regulate alkalinity. By mixing them, you get both benefits. Water with vinegar and baking soda remedy. Health benefits. Drinking water with apple cider vinegar and baking soda provides the following health benefits. It can balance your body's pH to combat acid, which can cause chronic degenerative illnesses. Prevent and treat oral problems that affect the teeth, enamel, and gums. Rid of toxins that have built up in the body because of poor diet, contamination, or stress, etc. Improve your digestive process and prevent heartburn. Improve natural lymphatic drainage to improve your blood's water content and avoid fluid retention. Improve cholesterol or triglyceride imbalances. Reduce arterial hypertension. Make your weight loss diet easier. It'll help fight hunger cravings and improve fat digestion. Improves respiratory problems. Ingredients: 6 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, unpasteurized, 60 milliliters. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, suitable for consumption, 5 grams. 3 cups of water, 600 milliliters. If you're not able to find unpasteurized apple cider vinegar, or you don't like it, you can substitute it with freshly squeezed lemon juice. This way, you can still achieve a balanced pH. This is the minimum amount of water you need. You can increase it if necessary. Instructions. Mix the ingredients in the warm water until the baking soda has dissolved. Spread this mixture over 3 sittings. You can drink it cold, warm, or hot. How to use it. Drink a glass just after you get up, before cleaning your teeth, and at least half an hour before breakfast. This is the most important one of the day. This is because, on an empty stomach, your body is very receptive to any natural remedy and you'll multiply the benefits of the overnight fasting. Drink another glass half an hour before lunch. The last glass of the day should be half an hour before dinner. You can repeat this on and off, or just drink first thing in the morning. You'll see the difference from the very first gulp.